Hello everyone, my name is Krutad Mankar and I'm here with my teammate Archit. So here we are here to present the project on Palletizer for the subject of industrial automation, and this is the factory IO software simulation video of the program that we created on in Studio 5000 software with the ladder logic diagram. So so first of all, here we can see this is the system that we have coded our logic on, and here there is a electric switchboard where you can see start, reset, and stop button, and an emergency stop push button. So as soon as the palletizer process starts, the pallet feeder moves the conveyor, and as soon as it comes on the elevate, here you can see that there are four sensors: elevate moving, move to limit, elevator up, and elevator down. So first of all, elevator moving gives the motion to the elevator, and move to the limit is a actuator which gives the elevator motion to the extreme up or extreme down of the position of the elevator. And then there is elevator up and elevator down, which gives a slight motion in the upward direction or downward direction respectively. And there is another sensor here, you can see that load pallet, which basically makes sure that the palletizer is completely on the elevator with the conveyor. And so as soon as the it is occupied with the sensor, then the elevator moves up. So once the elevator moves up, as you can see from here, that the box feeder will also start moving.
So as we can see that the boxes are coming and it is going to be done in the order of 2 by 3. It will be a three layers and with two types of modes. We have created two modes to be done for the boxing, and every time there's a counter which is counting the layers. So now first layer is done and the pallet has moved down for the width of the box. Now it is the second layer getting pushed on the second layer is getting formed. We have made a counter for the clamping as well, which is counting the number of clamps done and which is loading the belt. So this is the third and the final layer, which is in again 2 by 3, which was again calling the first mode. Once it is done, it will go down and it will as a counter which was taking the number of counts how the palletizer has moved. It will work as a sensor and it will come down. Now it will move towards the exit conveyor and the conveyor will start. Thank you.